Hello, it's currently about 3:30 in the morning. I haven't really slept. I've slept maybe a couple hours in the past over 24 hours. And it's actually Saturday today, so that makes it the end of week 5 of treatment. I forgot to do a video this week, but basically here's an update of my symptoms and everything. This week has been a lot better for me because they changed the dosage of my medication. They kind of went up and down, but it was almost like a trial and error kind of thing. So at the beginning I was receiving 2 milligrams of dexamethasone, steroids, anti-inflammatory steroids, to help with the swelling and edema in my head from the radiation. And the 2 milligrams wasn't doing anything, so I was in extreme pain. And then the week after, they upped the dose to 4 milligrams, but it still wasn't doing anything, so they upped it to 8 milligrams for that one day, and then 6 milligrams. Then this week, they wanted me to lower the dose to 4 milligrams and see how I did because I wasn't sleeping. And then yesterday I saw the doctor. On Fridays I see the doctor. I told him that the 4 milligrams didn't do anything for me from Monday when they wanted me to start the 4 milligrams. And so I increased it to 6 milligrams as they said, but I waited 3 days. They told me that I didn't have to wait 3 days. I just if I was feeling any type of pain, I could up it to 6 milligrams. 6 milligrams is good for me. However, today for some reason I woke up at 1 feeling like extreme pain in here, and I could really feel that it was swollen. And you can see this part is a little bump there. That's always been there since the surgery because there's a little extra fat there from after the surgery. But when I woke up around 1:30, like there was no bump. That means like it was kind of like flat. So the swelling was so bad that you couldn't even see this part. Like it looked normal. But you can even tell like my head, like my face looks really swollen. And it's due to the edema caused from radiation. And I just feel my whole body feels really swollen, but my head, especially my head, it feels like it's gonna explode and I can't sleep. The moment I lay down, it just feels like my head's a balloon. So I'm just sitting up right now, walking around the kitchen, because the moment I do lay down, it's just so painful. Otherwise, the nausea comes and goes, so I take Zofran when it's really bad. Otherwise, I just drink ginger ale. But yeah, so far that's the update. It's been hard to eat really healthy because the steroids are making me increase my appetite. But I'm trying to avoid rice in general, white rice. So I probably eat rice like once a day. But of course, a small portion, probably less than a handful. And the rest of the time I try to eat salads and healthy greens, and also juicing collard greens and some kale and vegetables and fruits, which is really yummy. But so far that's my update in terms of antidepressants. I'm starting to wean myself off because I think I'm doing a lot better. been really happy this week. For some reason, everything's just falling into place this week. It's been a really, really good week, other than what I'm experiencing right now. But yeah, maybe one day I'll update you guys on the food that I'm eating